How to use Chat GPT to write code. First, open and log in on Chat GPT. Here in this page, you will be able to see an example of a question related to codes. As an example, let's select that and see how Chat GPT will respond. Here, Chat GPT is starting to type in different codes, as you can see, and you can simply copy the code on the upper right corner of the box, and it even explains how to use it properly. Now let's try to ask our question. For example, write a method that returns good morning when it is morning, good afternoon when it is afternoon, and good evening when it is evening. Like what I am typing on the screen, and observe how ChatGPT will respond. Here you can see that it started typing different codes again for the greeting that we asked and suggests a lot of different options for us. This is what you will click if you want to copy the code. And that's it. We can clearly see that ChatGPT is useful for making codes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.